Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite cozy and creamy soups for fall. I have been loving this recipe for years. We'll be making my sweet potato, sausage, and veggie soup. This recipe has all the best fall flavors wrapped into one. It's like the ultimate creamy comfort food soup for fall. We'll get things started with our soup base. We'll be using carrots, celery, onions, garlic. I love to add some bacon bits in there as well. I love that smoky flavor. Then we'll add in our red wine, fresh herbs, diced tomatoes, and then for the veggies I like to use some zucchinis and mushrooms. We'll finish the soup off with a little bit of cream and Parmesan cheese. I love to serve this with some crispy buttered bread. There is nothing better than this super easy soup recipe on a chilly fall night. For the full list of ingredients and the printable instructions, head on down into that video description box and over to my website. Meanwhile, let me show you how to make this delicious soup. Let's preheat our soup pot over a medium-high heat, and I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of butter. Next, drop in 6 slices of diced bacon. Render this bacon for a couple of minutes. Add 1 large diced sweet onion, 2 large diced carrots, and 2 diced celery sticks. Cook this mixture over a medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until the onions are translucent and tender. Next, add in 6 minced garlic cloves, a tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary, a tablespoon of fresh thyme, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, about 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir this all together and cook for about a minute. Add some ground black pepper. And we're going to pour in 1 cup of red wine. If you prefer not to use alcohol in your cooking, you can replace this with an additional cup of beef broth. And then allow the wine to reduce and cook away for a couple minutes until most of the liquid has evaporated and you get like this thick, slurry mixture of the onion and carrots. Next, we'll add 28 ounces of canned diced tomatoes, additional 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Pour in 6 to 8 cups of beef broth. You can adjust this depending on how thick you want your soup to be. Drop in about approximately 2 cups of sliced smoky sausage, 10 sliced mushrooms, and 3 cubed sweet potatoes. Mix this all together. This soup already smells so good and I love the smokiness from the bacon bits. At this point I'm going to cover up my soup, turn up the heat to high and let it come up to a boil. Once it starts to boil, you can reduce that temperature back down to medium. Let it kind of slowly simmer and boil away for about 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to come back and add the zucchini. You want to add it a little bit later so it doesn't get overcooked. Add in 1 large cubed zucchini. Let this cook for another 5 minutes. Once that zucchini is softened and cooked, we're going to pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and sprinkle in a cup of Parmesan cheese. Give this all a stir. Look how creamy that soup is, and I love the color of that too. Let's get ourselves a bowl of this incredible creamy soup. Check out all those veggies. You have the zucchini, the sweet potatoes, the mushrooms. Let's top this off with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it for my creamy sweet potato and sausage soup. I love how quick and easy this recipe is. It comes together in no time and your whole kitchen is filled with this mouth-watering aroma. Let's dig in to enjoy this incredible soup. It's still really hot, so I'm gonna try to get some off the top here. Get a little bit of that sweet potato, some little bacon bits. I've been making this soup for years and years, and it just never gets old. There's something so special about the combination of flavors here. You get that sweetness from the sweet potatoes. I love that tomato soup base with a little bit of creaminess, that Parmesan cheese, the smokiness from the bacon and the sausage. You are going to be in soup food heaven with this recipe. If you're looking for a quick and easy dinner idea, you have to give this soup a try. It's so perfect for fall. Don't forget to head on down into that video description box for the recipe link. Thank you so much for watching my latest episode, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.